Hey, what's up everyone? Today is another day, another vlog, and this is the Sabbat X12 Ultra. Let's go. Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dan here, back with another video, and today we're gonna unbox the Sabbat X12 Ultra. So without further ado, let's unbox this. Nice packaging, by the way. This is Sabbat X12 Ultra. I bought this today directly from their website, linked down below. This is priced at retail price of 2,790 pesos, but I got a 200 pesos discount directly from Instagram. So if you guys want to buy this, you can check out their Instagram first, because there's going to be codes for 200 pesos discount currently happening on their website right now. I purchased the marble series kasi for me it looks really nice. I got the Dreamstone, kulay green and yellow pero black yung backdrop. Tignan natin. Una pa lang, ang ganda na ng first impression ko sa box kasi mukha siyang high-end, o matibay. Meron pang logo ng Sabbat right there. I think it's an antelope, kulay silver. Don't know if you could see it from top view. Wow. Really nice packaging right there. First, makikita natin yung I guess the manual. It's a thick card. Ayan, kita nyo naman. Meron din siyang kasamang product quality warranty card. Makikita natin yung iba't ibang design ng Sabbat X12. Una dahil pipiliin ko yung all black lang, but I went towards the marble design kasi gusto ko may iba naman. Mamaya natin basahin yung setup page. Here we have the unit. The earphones are right here. Kita nyo naman. The case is right here, color black. Very nice. This is probably the charging cable. Okay. Ear hooks. USB Type-C. Lalagyan. Pouch bag. At ito na yung unit. Wow, very nice. Very nice. Ang ganda tignan. Although plastic lang yung build quality, mukha pa rin siyang matibay. At mukha madaling mawala. This is the charging case right here. May Sabbat na logo. Di ko gusto yung kulay silver na Sabbat. Parang kitang-kita. Dapat ginawa na lang nilang all black. USB Type-C port. Light indicator for charging. At yun na. Doon na ilalagay yung earphones. This thing has 5.0 Bluetooth connection, powered by Qualcomm, their latest Qualcomm chips. So magiging mabilis at walang latency yung pagko-connect sa Bluetooth, at yung sound quality maganda. And battery life, sabi nila, this thing can charge for 1 hour, including the headphones, and you can use the headphones itself for 6 to 8 hours. Tapos pag nalobat, lalagay mo na siya dito para mag-charge in the case, and this case can charge up your battery 4 times with a total of 30 to 24 hours, of course depending on your use. Pretty nice for me, including our 2 pairs of active ear hooks. Comes in black and white depending on your preference. Mukhang flimsy yung pagkakagawa, but it's not bad. At least meron pa rin ito, diba? For people who are active and working out and running, para hindi malaglag sa tenga nyo. Now, I chose the Sabbat X12 over the E12. Yung E12 kasi in-ear, and this one is on-ear. Para sa akin lang, I've been a long time user and a fan of on-ears. Para sa akin, mas maganda sa fit ng tenga ko yung on-ears versus the in-ears. Kasi yung in-ear sa akin lagi nalalaglag for some reasons. Kailangan ko gamitan ng ear hooks para hindi siya malaglag. And mas mabilis dumumi para sa akin yung in-ears. That's why I chose this. And also, mas gusto ko yung dynamics ng sounds kapag nasa labas ako. Maririnig ko pa rin yung background noise kahit papano. Hindi katulad daw sa in-ear, sobrang parang may noise cancellation na hindi mo na maririnig yung nasa labas. Ayoko ng ganun. Kasi dito sa Pilipinas, kailangan marinig mo pa rin yung background noise mo kung ano na yung nangyayari. Kailangan aware ka sa surroundings. So without further ado, let's try this on. Okay. I got my phone here with me, and yeah, let's start connecting it to the Bluetooth. So first, let me turn on my Bluetooth right here. Turning this on. Okay, first things first, sabi sa manual, ilalagay muna natin tong pair ng earbuds natin sa loob ng charging case. So, hindi ko alam kung paano siya actually nilalagay. Ganyan yata. I don't know. Okay, it's lighting up. Really nice. Okay. We close this, maybe? Makikita nyo yung charging case, it already has like 50% battery. And then we're gonna take this off, maybe. Okay, we're gonna refresh our phone. Nakita na natin agad yung Sabbat X12 Ultra sa phone natin. Let's just tap that. Pair. Of course. Yes, pair. And they're connected. That's so quick. Wow. Sobrang bilis. Sabi dito, battery of the earphones are 100%, both of them. So that's really nice. Now, I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna have to take off my headphones. Suot na sa akin. And first, I'll try the sound quality. Go to Spotify. Let's play some music right here. Wow. Tinodo ko yung sounds. Hindi ko naririnig yung boses ko kahit malakas na yung boses ko ngayon. Hintayin natin yung drop ng music. Wow! Ang lakas pa rin niya. Kala ko maririnig ko yung outside surrounding noise pero hindi ko maririnig. See? Sobrang wala ko marinig sa background noise. Siguro mga 45% to. Naririnig ko na yung salita ko. At malakas pa rin siya. In fairness. Okay? Pause muna natin yung sound. This is what it looks like sa tenga. Okay? Saktong-sakto sa tenga ko. Pasensya na mahaba yung buhok ko. At GCQ pa rin dito. Hindi pa rin pwedeng lumabas. Actually, pwede nang magpagupit pero tinatamad pa ako lumabas. Yan. Saktong-sakto siya sa tenga ko. Okay, so I did a test call to my cousin. Naririnig ko siya ng malinaw. Sobrang ganda ng boses niya sa quality ng audio. Pero for some reasons, di niya ako naririnig. So I'm gonna have to figure out using the manual, of course, kung bakit di niya ako naririnig. So I believe parehas left and right may buttons. Ang function nila, 1 click is play and pause, and 2 clicks is to skip the song. Right, that's what's happening right now on my phone. 3 clicks is for the volume to go up. And that's for the right ear, by the way. Now for the left ear, reverse, of course. 2 clicks to rewind the song. 1 click for playing. And 3 clicks for volume down. For answering the calls, 1 tap either side. For turning this on and off, press the either side for 4 seconds. At nag-off na siya. Yun lang naman. Quick unboxing of this thing. Sobrang ganda. I like this for 2,590 pesos. Feeling ko sobrang sulit siya. On par or even better compared to the AirPods. I'm not sure about AirPods Pro kasi hindi ko pa nagagamit yun. But for me, this is a really great buy. Really nice package. Really nice unboxing. So I'm gonna put this thing on charging for now and I'm gonna figure out how to play with this thing. Para sa akin, unboxing lang muna ngayon. This is the thing right here. Sobrang ganda tignan. Sobrang sulit ng purchase ko ngayon. Masaya ako. I'm gonna charge this thing for now. Pero masasabi ko, music quality, audio quality sa music, malakas naman yung bass. Sinasabi nila mas malakas daw yung bass ng E12 Ultra, yung in-ear. But obviously, it's because in-ear yun. This one has pretty decent bass, pretty decent mids and highs. I'm not a audiophile, I'm not a music expert, pero this is more than enough for me. Mukhang matibay naman yung build quality ng lahat ng items, including the case and the earbuds itself. Sana lang meron siyang feature na mahanap mo yung earbuds pag nawala mo siya or nalaglag mo. But that's an Apple thing. This one is for everyone else. Highly recommended. the Sabbat X12 Ultra. Thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up if you like the video, and subs if you want more. See you guys soon.
Tapos manikmura ng tiyan.